Hello there and welcome to your walk around video of the BMW 320d Touring in Alpine White here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a walk around the vehicle and talk through some of the options that we have on this vehicle. So starting with the outside, of course you will see it has the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. On this 320d Touring we've gone for the satin front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. We've also had the 18-inch BMW M Sport alloys fully refurbished in the gloss black. Down the side of the car we've got the side vinyls and M Performance decals. This particular vehicle has the privacy glass. It also has the fully slide and tilt function glass panoramic sunroof, which I'll give you a little bit of a demonstration of in just a moment when we hop around the other side. We have the black Dakota leather. Give you a little view of the panoramic roof from the back. The panoramic sunroof is a lovely addition on any of the models. It is particularly rare on the 2-litre variant. It just opens up the interior that little bit more and gives a lot more light. Around the back we have the satin rear diffuser, the fully automatic tailgate opening and closing. It's also got the factory luggage cover and dog guard. You will also see the underglow LED door handle lights, which have just come on there when I've opened up the boot, and they will come back on when I open up this rear door, as you can see there. It's a lovely clean and tidy car inside and out. We've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. We have electric lumbar adjustments. Okay, so let's get in inside and show you some of the more interior features and options we have. So as you can see, I've got the roof open in the slide function where I can slide it that little bit further. And as you can see, it does open up the cabin, just gives it that bit more light inside. We've got the BMW professional navigation and media. So we've got the nav screen on there, we've got Bluetooth. We've also got full DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. It's got cruise control with speed limiter. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox, automatic lights, automatic wipers. The vehicle itself has covered just over 81,000, as you can see there when the camera finally zooms in. And as I say, I'll just give you a little demonstration of what the panoramic roof functions can do. So we'll put it into the tilt function, which is nice, just lets that breezy open, still keeps it nice and open and airy in the cabin. And then we can slide the sunshade back over, which is all electric as well. And I'll give you a little demonstration of what that looks like from outside the car. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish up the video on the BMW 320d in Alpine White. Before I do finish, one last thing to mention is that this vehicle does have full BMW service history, which is all viewable on the digital iDrive. So if I go into vehicle information, vehicle status and the service requirements, everything is in green. It's not due an engine oil change for 13,000 miles. The next serviceable item is the brake fluid, which isn't due for the second month of 2020. Service history, as you can see, it has been very recently serviced there on the 23rd of the 8th month of 2019. Right from its first service, which was done there, up to the most recent, which is obviously there. Okay, so that does conclude the video on the 320d in Alpine White Touring. Thank you very much for watching. We of course hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you and goodbye.